Pagi. Terima kasih. When you think about Bali, what comes in your mind? Comfort, relax, spa, having a nice place to crash, some drinks like cocktail, beers, whatever you like it, and the green, the nature. And after all of that, why not a swimming pool? Today we're gonna show you all of this can fit in your pocket. Cheers! There's no better way to start the day with some fresh orange juice, some fruit and some eggs. In this place the breakfast is included, so just come, choose whatever you want to have it. They also have western and local options, so your belly gonna be covered either way. Cheers! Let's jump straight to the room. Let me show you how amazing is this room. Come on guys, this room is amazing, it's massive. Peak is preparing the tea for us. If you look out, you have sea view. And right behind me, come over, here is where the magic happens. Here we add all the videos what you guys are watching, and if you are new here, like and subscribe, and let's get going. You got also a mini bar where you can stock up your beer, coconut, whatever you like, wardrobe, and something very important, the safe, because all the documents or anything valuable we can keep up here. But the best is coming right now. Look at this balcony, guys. Here we have the garden and the pool view, which is amazing. We love this place. This is Bali. This is Bali. And in the evenings we sit down here. I love to hang out here. I sit like a boss. I answer your comments. And now you're thinking, you don't take shower? Yes, I do. Come, I'm gonna show you. Here we come. Here is very big bathroom. You have the sink, you have all what you need, and also a bath. So if you talk with the management, they can also prepare with the rose, with the flowers here for you. Overall, this room is amazing for the money you're paying for. Now that you've seen the room, I'm gonna take you down and show you the garden and the pool. As you guys been following our journey, we've been in so many properties, and this by far is the nicest one when it's related to garden. It's so beautiful, it gives you a feeling like you're in Bali, you're in the middle of the jungle.
And my favorite place, you can all guess, it's the pool. If you follow our channel, you know we love water, we love swimming, so that's what we do every day in the evening when the sun goes down. We come, we do some exercise, we chill. So this is so nice, and the water, wow.
And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch?
Not enough from what we've been showing you. This place, they offer even more affordable rooms. They are smaller, but they are super cute, facing the pool. So if you're on budget, that could be an option as well. They also provide a spa, so you need to go nowhere to have a perfect and relaxing Balinese massage. As you could see from the room, the property is just next to the beach, which is super convenient if you are willing to do the dolphin trip or just jalan-jalan in the morning. Here we are, guys, the Suma Beach Hotel. This place is a gem. It's perfect and extremely affordable. For the room what we showed you, it costs 300,000 per night, and you get all what I showed you. So by far it's our favorite place in Bali, or the place we stayed, and we've been staying in lots of places as you are following us on YouTube. And don't forget, we are doing a series of videos about Bali. Stick with us because we're gonna show you much more. Now it's time for me to have a cocktail. It's happy hour. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next one. Sudah? Ya?